Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is ExpressVPN and Virtual Shield. So to get started, in 2025 ExpressVPN stand out as top pick for streaming, offering a fast speed access to a wide range of global server and consistent unblocking of major platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. It works well on nearly any device and maintains strong security without slowing down your connection. Talking about Virtual Shield, on the other hand, is privacy focused and often struggle with streaming performance. Many users report that it doesn't really unblock popular service, and speed can be inconsistent depending on the server. It serves more geared towards basic privacy rather than high quality media streaming. And here's a very conclusion. So if streaming is your priority, ExpressVPN is the clear winner in 2025 for speed and reliability and access to global content, while Virtual Shield is better suited for light browsing and basic online privacy. And that's it. Let me know what you think about these two platforms in the comment below. Thanks.